Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. The question is asking determine if the following series converges or diverges. And if you look at this, we have sine square n over 5 power n, and let's see how we can find it. First of all, we have to determine this is a geometric series or p series. We know that for a geometric series, it's always number power n. For a p series, it's always n power a number. And here we don't have to look at the numerator for now. So if you look at the denominator, this 5 power n. So this is a number power n, and then from that one we know that this is a geometric series, right? Geometric series, and for a geometric series, we know that if it's between, if the, let's say this is r value, if same as a, so if the r value is between -1 and 1, it converges. If it's greater than 1, it diverges, right? So here what we get, if you look at this one, for example, I take this as 1 over 5n. If I take this one, I can write this one as like this too. This one definitely converges because this value is less than 1, right? Converges. And if I can prove this whole thing is less than this, I can prove this also converges, because we have to know this gives us a finite number, and definitely this one is greater than 0, and if it's less than this is going to be a finite number. So to do that, let's do the squeeze theorem and see what we get. So here we have this one. Okay, for sine value, for example, if I take sine n, any value should be between -1 and 1, right? So that's the main concept. So this is sine n. So what about sine square n? Sine square n. If you square this one, that value is going to be between 0 to 1. For example, you can't assume that's also 1, because if you notice, for example, if you take 0, -1, 1, and let's say if we take -half and square it, that's going to be between this, right? And any other value if you square, it's always going to be a positive value, but it's going to be from 0 to 1. So this part does not exist, and it's going to be between. So we can say it's between 0 to 1, right? And then we know this one is true, and let's take this one, the denominator part, and if we divide this sine square n by 5 power n, that should be between 0 over 5 power n and 1 over 5 power n, right? And from this one we know this value is less than this, and we already found out this one converges, and definitely this is also going to be converges, because if you want to write in one more step, this is 0 to sine square n over 5 power n 1 over 5 power n, and if this converges, this definitely converges, because this is a finite number, right? Finite, if it converges, it's a finite number. Converges, the finite number, and that's between, and the less than, this one is less than that, and between 0, greater than 0. So definitely this one is converges. This one also a finite number. So we can go ahead and say in this summation notation, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 0 is less than summation n is equal to 1 to infinity sine square n over 5 power n is less than summation n is equal to infinity 1 over 5 power n, and we know this one converges, therefore this also converges. Converges, right? Therefore we know that the answer for this question is this one is a convergent series. convergent series. And that's how we do this kind of problems. I hope you guys find this video helpful. See you next time.